morning, traders. Welcome to the Elliott Wave Street weekly update. I'm Juan Maldonado, and it's a pleasure to start the week showing some of our wave counts. If you want to get access to the whole Elliott Wave Street analysis here on elliottwavestreet.com/membership, you can pick your membership. We have a special offer of $19 the first month, then $75 per month. You can pick Forex stocks or full access. Here is the list of instruments that we cover on a daily basis, Monday through Friday, and you will get access to the education as well. So it's a fantastic membership. You can start for just $19. Let's start with the euro. Let me show the daily chart first. Here we have on the daily chart the big picture plan. So let me zoom in here a little bit. And here you can see that I have also the MACD on the chart inside the members area, inside the Elliott Wave Street membership. You are going to get access to the MACD course. This month we are doing live the second part of the MACD course inside the membership. So the MACD is an indicator that helps us to read the momentum. So it's pretty important to read the momentum of the markets. For example, here after this sell-off on the euro, we have the same behavior on the MACD, pretty strong move down. So this is the wave 3. Is building right now, wave 4. Currently is active, wave 4. So we are looking for price to move a little bit higher above this previous W. And look, it's telling, the MACD is telling that the wave 4 is active because the MACD line, that is the blue line here, is above the signal line. So that's telling that we are still in wave 4. When the MACD crosses down, we are going to have the validation that this 4, it's done. Of course, that usually is a late signal. That is why we are going to lower time frames to accelerate the entry. Let's move down to the lower time frames. Oh, but before, I'm just looking for the price to move a little bit here above this area. Then looking for the rejection. I want to sell it after that. And I want to go back here to the previous low. So let's zoom in into the time frames. Here is the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, the plan is going to be pretty simple. So we are in this wave 3, looking for 4, looking for 5. At the rejection, that means a nice red candle showing up here is the sell signal. I usually use a 30 to 40 point stop loss. Then at the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, I book partial profits. I like to take out 50% out of my trade, and then I let run the other part of the position. So that's the plan on the euro. Pretty simple, finding the top of the market. Let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, let's go to the daily chart so you can see how cool and how useful is the MACD. So look, here we have the MACD line crossing the signal line. Signal line is the orange line, MACD line is the blue line. Since there, on the daily chart, we haven't have any cross to the downside. Clearly, wave B in this case is active. The main plan on the S&P is to have one more last leg down, and having the price moving down here and rejecting will be probably the bottom of the market. That's what I'm looking for here. So the plan that I have is selling the S&P. I went short here last week, and I booked my profits, 50% of the 1-to-1, and then I booked some extra profits. But this leg up was not expected. I wasn't expected this leg, right? With the Fed increasing the rates, with the ECB increasing the rates with a second consecutive quarter in the US negative, but good earnings from the companies. So that's why the S&P moved higher. But anyway, I'm going to continue selling the S&P. And we are at the supply area. Supply area is the last area of supply where the big guys were doing their distribution or short accumulation. So all this action that you see here was built here. They don't sell at lower prices. They do a distribution at the top, and then they withdraw the liquidity of the market to let the price move in one direction. Now the price is back into that key supply area on the S&P. So we need to have a behavior similar. Of course, every shape is going to be different, but similar, a sideways price action here, to confirm that the big guys are doing something. Always when the market is sideways is when they are planning something. In this case, the market was sideways and they were planning a bullish move. In this case, the price was sideways and they were planning a leg down. In this place, the price was sideways and they planned taking out the stops and at the same time pushing the price higher, right? So always we're going to find a action after the sideways price. When the price is trending, we don't know if it's going to happen that change of behavior or not. What if the price breaks up to the upside and continues to 4,600? What if we have a test here? All those things can happen. But if the price starts going sideways, is when we are going to have our validation. Also look at the MACD. This entire cycle is showing that B wave is active. Now, when we go to lower time frames, we're going to create a strategy of what's going on. And again, inside the members area, you will find the MACD course to learn how to use the MACD with Elliott Wave. And trust me, there are a lot of details that we can learn from this technique. And this month we are having the second part of the course live in the membership. So look, here we have the S&P. So price is going up. We have price making the move up on this impulse. So the plan is going to be simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I want to sell it here at that rejection. Imagine a nice red candle showing up there. I will sell it there at the rejection. I will leave a protective stop loss 20-30 points above the entry, and then I'm going to start booking profits during the road, and I'm going to leave 25% or so of the position in order to try to catch the whole leg down. So getting ready to find the end of the trend on the S&P. We are going to have some divergence also on the MACD here pre-intercene as well. But clearly we need a little bit more to the upside in order to confirm that we are going to have our top on the S&P. All right, traders. So that's the plan for this week. If you want to join us, here is the link, elliottwavestreet.com/membership. You will find all the details about the membership. You will get immediate access to the system, to start watching the education, to watch all the daily reports, live market reports on all these instruments and more. Please have a fantastic start of your month, a great start of your week. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.